Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to find the recently deleted on Instagram. The guide should be simple. So of course, here we go. Go ahead guys and launch Instagram. Once you are, go to your profile. Once you go to your profile guys, go ahead and of course, if you're not on your profile, click the icon down here, which is in the lower right to get to your profile, which is here. And you're going to hit the three dots upper right. Then you're going to go to settings. So in settings, you're going to go to your account. So go to account. Once you're in account, scroll all the way down guys, and of course you should see recently deleted. So of course mine is empty. I haven't had anything deleted recently. So of course in your case, anything that was recently deleted will appear in this folder. That include posts, stories, videos, reels, you name it. All right, they'll show up here. And only you can see them, but do note that they won't last here more than 30 days, and of course after that you won't be able to restore them. If anything is deleted here, you can easily go ahead and hit restore, and of course get it back to the position that it was inside of your profile. All right, so of course it's quite easy to do, and let me just demonstrate. If I were to go ahead and select delete, deleting, and of course is changes to deleting videos. Now you can restore. All right, I'm gonna hit dismiss, and as you can see here, it shows that I have no content. If I go here, settings, I go to account, I go to go down, and I go recently deleted. As you can see, it's here and it shows how many days. I can go ahead and hit. If I change my mind, I can go ahead and either delete permanently or restore. Here I'm going to hit restore. There you go, it's gone back to its it says confirm if you have restored permanently deleted content. All right. And of course, all right guys, so a code will be sent to your email with a few digits for you to punch in while you're going through the confirmation process. So once it's done, it should be restored as shown here. All right, so hit restore. It will then all right, so as you can see, I've entered the code, and all I did was hit restore again if it didn't move the same time. And by hitting restore for the second time after verifying the code, it will be moved. And as you can see here guys, I have moved it back to the gallery. I'm going to close the app out. Once I close the app out, I'm going to try to open again. There you go. So if you don't see the picture, simply close the app, open the app, and of course the photo will be restored, comments and all. So as you can see, the app doesn't simply need to be refreshed after doing the restoration. All right, so I hope I have helped. Remember, the code is in your email, and as always guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.